Well, flu season is well underway, and amid the COVID-19 pandemic, there are new health challenges. How can children best protect themselves? Formosa News reporter Stephany Yang asked Western medicine and Chinese medicine doctors to share tips on how children can stay healthy and boost immunity this winter season.
Dr. Chu Shih-ming advises children to get a flu shot, especially this year.
During the season, we have some suggestion to the parents. Mostly, most important, the children might to get the flu shot, especially during the pandemic region of the flu. And the second, the adequate nutrition and the adequate sleep and the adequate exercise.
Dr. Chu says a balanced diet, adequate sleep, and regular exercise are basic habits that can improve immunity when thoroughly implemented. To maintain a balanced diet, he recommends cutting down on fast food. Too much fast food can lead to insufficient nutrient intake. That can lead to malnutrition and obesity, weakening the immune system.
Food diversity is very good. It's very important. Different kinds of food, usually a different kind of the food, the spectrum. Usually that's good for the health promotion. Not only for some hamburger or some drink. The children, they do not have adequate supply like the vitamin D, or they do not have adequate the iron supplementation. So we have to change our food spectrum.
Dr. Guoshun Li says many children resist taking medicines to fight disease, as strong coughs and vomiting can make it difficult to swallow. In these cases, he suggests taking herbal baths. The bath can help the children sweat and dissipate heat. It is generally recommended that children under 6 years of age take full body baths because of their small size. Children over 6 can take foot baths or partial wet compresses. The temperature of the baths is generally recommended to be between 37 and 40 degrees Celsius, depending on the season. That's 37 degrees in summer and 40 in winter. Dr. Kuo suggests about 1 to 2 baths per day to treat disease and about 1 bath a week for preventive purposes. The capillaries on the skin's surface expand with a warm bath, so he says parents should make sure room temperature is maintained at about 26 degrees to avoid catching a cold.
The hot bathing or using some herbal medicine to make the children prevent from disease, or because it can dilate the blood vessel and help the children to release their heat. And they have 2 lines of greater validity.
In addition to baths, Dr. Ko recommends acupoint massages on the upper back to help reduce coughing and fever.
Parallel to the vertebra, we have greater meridian, and the meridian can, from the upper part of the greater meridian in upper back, we can massage it to release the cough.
The doctors reminds parents that if their children have symptoms such as severe fever, heat cramps, or unconsciousness, they should seek medical attention as soon as possible. Children should also continue to wear face masks, wash their hands, and avoid visiting crowded places. For Formosa News, Stephany Yang, Wang Yishen in New Taipei City.